So I'm going to make a point here about screencasts really helping to give a feeling of tutor presence online. You know, students, they like to hear you and perhaps see their teachers to get a real sense of you and what you're all about. It helps them feel more connected, I guess, when we're studying remotely, particularly. So that's a really nice benefit to learning there, sort of that personalised feeling that students get. And videos, they really are a great alternative to reading. And there were lots of comments there about the flexibility that they provide. And I guess they give students a break there from sort of the type of screen use that's needed for sort of reading off of the screen, which can be, I guess, really useful during times of intense study. So although students would, I guess, still be looking at the screen, watching a video is much less demanding on the eyes than sort of reading something. And then speaking of studying, I guess having hands-free options when you're recapping information is also very useful, particularly if you have caring responsibilities, or perhaps you focus better when you're exercising, or maybe you're somebody who's just very time poor, but you want to remain, I guess, immersed in some kind of study. Then having a video option really does give flexibility there. So just expanding on that point from the chat.